Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to delete chat history in Alipay. Well, this is really easy. The first step you need to do is open your Alipay app. Once you open your Alipay app, you're going to click right here in this section or this icon called account. Once you click account right here, you're going to click this another icon right here. This not right here. You're going to click and then you're going to you're going to find this option called general. You're going to click right here and then you can see at the bottom this button called clear chat history. You're going to click right here to delete all the chat history in your Alipay account. It's really easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.